This is the old container. Oh. 4. Gonna get a new home. Using some of this soil as a mixture soil. And the pot where it will go. Okay, we'll do a little mix cleaning. We'll clean these in here and then we'll place them in the mixture. So. All right, all ready to go. So as I'm taking this one out, I notice a baby on the side. I'm gonna rinse this out, get the old dirt off. Second one has a big roots too. I feel so bad. Gonna clean this one out so everyone can see. I cleaned this second one and I'm about to start cleaning this third one. Has a long root too. And number 3 is out. Fourth one is the largest one I have so far, so we'll see what this root system is like. Pretty large. Let's clean this one out. And number 4 is out. Alright, let's start digging these little new homes for these plants. Alright, 3 down, 1 more to go.